Hello everyone, welcome back to the next section. So in this section we're going to take a look at the threshold and the gradient map adjustment layers. So I just imported the previous image. Okay, let's select the threshold. So what will threshold do? Threshold will make an image into a black and white, and also we have a slider here to control the threshold level to adjust like this. So, or when I decrease the threshold level, it will become more bright, or the pixels will become more bright, and when I keep it the highest threshold, it will become more black or saturated. So let's keep it here. So we got the hairs, then some parts for making our caricature or some our effect, and this is really useful to make for making special effects as a part of special effects. So we want to remove these black areas first. So otherwise let's move it a little bit. Okay, this is enough. So we want to remove this area first. So let's select either any selection tool or lasso tool, then select this, then right click and fill. Sorry, before doing that, let's make a new layer, empty layer, then select like this and right click to fill. So choose contents, either select color, then just gonna select white color and click OK. It's removed. Then press Ctrl D to deselect. Then make these layers merge. Select all layers and press Ctrl E to merge. So next thing we want to do is add colors here, or colors to the hair and separate colors to the body. So let's select the gradient map. So let's select, and we have two options, the either and reverse. So uncheck these two. Let's select a gradient from here, or just two color gradient. Let's select the black color is already selected, so the black color will replace the hair and these portions, or the more saturated portions. Then the light areas will cover this color. Let's change into some horrible green or something, how it looks like. What about the yellow? Okay, like yellow looks good. Orange, no. Yellow looks good. Keep it higher or brighter. Okay, that's enough. Then click OK, or otherwise you can select any 3 or 4 color formation like this. Look at that. But I don't think these are good. Let's go with our previous color. Yellow. This looks pretty good. Then click OK, or we change the gradient of our image another color using the posterize and threshold adjustments. It's really cool effects. Let's give a texture to these two images, so let's merge it well. Or before that, let's make a new layer, then go to, either you can go to edit and fill, then select pattern from contents, or otherwise you can just head over to the layer styles to make a pattern. Keep these down. Okay, any pattern you like, and now you can select the blending mode, some maybe the overlay software, or otherwise you can just click OK. Then you can change the blending mode here, soft light. So this is, I just demonstrated you, this was before adding the pattern and after adding the pattern. There's a small change. Okay, this is the uses of threshold and gradient map. Actually, threshold is really useful to make images to another level. Next thing we are discussing the selective color. That's the last one in this category. I hope you got it, the uses. Thank you.